Hello ladies and gentlemen, Bronago here bringing you another StarCraft Brood War modding tutorial. This one is a tutorial I didn't ever think I'd have to make because I didn't think there'd be so many people interested in modding Remastered, but since the tools are available and the interest is there, here we are. This tutorial is going to teach you how to pack a Remastered EXE mod file for use over Battle.net or single player for the newest version of the game. So first things first, you're going to need two programs installed, as well as obviously Python for the Python modding suite. So we'll grab those from the link in the description of this video. All you need to do is first grab Samase by Nave. This will allow you to use the features of it to install or pack your remastered EXE. And then all we need is to grab the Python modding suite real quick. Also modified by Nave, originally by Poi-Quirt. I'm just going to go ahead and download this. I've already done so I'll just be deleting it once I get back to my desktop, but just showing you the process. You hit that clone or download button and pop it open with whatever you use to extract zip files, extract it to the desktop, and voila. Now, the next thing you need to do is figure out where you're going to put Samase. I have it in a folder called Tools, SCBW, and then create a mod folder for your, like a project folder for your mod that you'll be using with your command prompt. So, for example, I'm going to use Project Hydra's project file, project folder rather, and you see I have a folder here called mod. This holds all of the modified data. So, for example, ARR is, if you've ever looked at MPQs with custom data, then you'll know that they are oriented in a certain way. And as an example, we can pop open PyMPQ and really quickly take a peek at the way that StarDat is structured. As just one of the examples, you see that there's ARR / and then whatever the file name is. Well, that's the same thing as this file structure here. You're basically taking that file structure and creating a folder with it. And, you know, that's all you have here. So there's all those data files. This is a Firegraph FGP file with custom button sets and tech requirements and such, which I'm not really going to get into the modification process in this video, but if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. This is just custom player colors and such, custom stat.txt XML file that dictates unit names and a bunch of other things like weapon names and such. Here we have some plugins that are specific to this project. And here we have AI scripts and animation scripts for the game's data file. So again, all modified files, all custom, not built into the game, like not the vanilla files. So with the fact that we have all of these modified files here, now we're going to learn how to pack them in. So like I said, you have a project folder, and then you have within that folder a mod folder. And now you're going to need to run your command prompt as admin. And make sure that you have quick edit mode turned on. You can click on this command prompt icon in the top left, hit properties, and make sure this is toggled on quick edit mode. That's going to be important for you to be able to copy paste and stuff. Right click to paste as well if you are unfamiliar with how that works. And now what we need to do is we need to create a new text file. So we're going to go ahead and open Notepad here. And we're going to take the install path of Samase, which like I said is in my tools folder. We're going to copy this, paste it into here, and add / and then samase.exe. Then we're going to put in quotation marks our mod folder. So this is, again, the directory where all of our modified data is stored. Then we're going to put in a command for Samase to execute, which is, in this case, pack. And then we need to tell it what the file name is and where to store that file. So this, in this case, is that file path that I just put in, the project directory outside of the mod folder. And then mine is hydra.exe. I think it's in all capital letters, so we'll do that because we're burly men. We scream at the top of our lungs. Make sure to wrap it in quotation marks. And then this is all you need to do. So now you save this notepad file, and you can save it as a bat file. So for example, if I wanted to do something like this, then I wouldn't have to copy and paste it into command prompt, which you can do as well. So just to prove that this works, you see there's no error messages, and now Hydra EXE has been created. It doesn't have that crow PNG file anymore because I don't have the file specifying to use that. But if we wanted to use this bat file as well, we can go ahead and delete this file and run this bat file, and you'll see it. Yes, again, it is packed and created. And I'm just going to run the more official one that has the crow icon, and now the crow icon is created. So that's one that I've already messed around with. But you can save this as a bat file, so you don't have to do it every time you make a change. Like if I made a balance change to increase Kerrigan's health, or added a new unit, or added a new upgrade, then obviously there would be changes in the mod files. This bat file makes you able to very easily just double-click, generates a new exe for you. As long as you don't move any of the files in question, you won't have to update the bat file, although you can do that by just opening it in Notepad or Notepad++ or whatever. And now, just to prove to you that this stuff actually works, we're going to double-click our new exe, which for yours might be mod.exe, might be whatever you want to call it. For me, again, it's Project Hydra's mod file, and we're just going to pop it open. As you can see, it is running with the latest patch. As you know, you got all these anime stuff on the screen. And we're going to wait for it to load, which does take some time for some reason. Don't ask me why. I'm going to cancel the authentication. We're going to pop into a single-player version. Well, not really version, but just one of the Hydra maps. Something that'll really quickly show that there is some changes. And as you can see, we have Grenade Barrage. It's a modified string, modified attack. Kerrigan has Snipe. You know, there's all sorts of modifications that we've put in together. So, as you can see, it does work, and it's on remastered, as you can tell by the colors. So, it's just a... trying to get out of the game. Just a quick tutorial video on how to get everything up and running. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me some notes in the comments. And special thanks to Nave for making all this possible. You can check out more of his work on my Discord server or on Stardit.net, where he's released a GRP, or graphics editor, for Remastered as well, called Animosity. So don't forget that one. All right, I'll see you guys later.